Hello there, thank you for joining me today. And I have a lot of craft supplies. For the longest time, I was just sort of shoving it into corners in my room and didn't really know what to do with it. My room is in a basement and we have this closet under our stairs. Could utilize that space for my crafts. I am so excited to clean this out and have a place to keep everything nice and organized. Alright, this is my wee spooky closet under the stairs, and we are gonna start cleaning. I'm honestly shocked I have not found a single spider in here yet, but you know what I did find in here? White mold. Probably shouldn't be standing in here without a mask on. Anyways, I am going to rub down the walls with this mold repellent thingy that I got. One thing I am very mildly scared of is this spooky little hole. Where does it go? What's back there? I don't know, but my plan is to never get this close to it again. After I got everything cleaned up, my first thing that I wanted to do was put this cute little pink rug in that I got. My dad also helped me install a goldenrod, which is I don't really know how they work, but it helps keep an area from getting too wet and will keep mold from forming again. I have been keeping all of my fabric in this chest that's in my room, and it's lovely, but I have a different item of furniture that I want to put in that spot going forward. So I took out all of my fabric and rolled it all up into little burritos. Thought that if I had them in this shape, it would be easy to see everything, kind of the KonMari method, and then I could easily find what I was looking for, whereas with the chest I had to dig through layers and layers of stuff. I got this pegboard for free off of my Buy Nothing group, and this made me so excited because I really did not want to buy a pegboard. It just did not seem like a fun thing to spend my money on, so I was really happy that one of my lovely neighbors in my town had one to spare. My mom also offered me this shoe rack that I used to store all my yarn in. It's very big, but it does not quite hold all of my yarn snugly. So I'm going to have to definitely do some knitting to catch up with my stash on this one. The last thing to do was to organize all my supply drawers that I had, tools like seam rippers and darning supplies. I put away all of my knitting needles, and we were finally done. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for checking out my little closet makeover. I cannot wait to utilize this room and be more organized in my crafting. I think it's going to help a lot. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Be brave and do your best. Bye!